Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Lecturer Ms. Nurfaiza Kaini, SSMA, and all of my friends, thanks for taking the time to be here. Now I will present to the pro-argumentative essay with the topic, but before begin, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Sinta. I'm student from Biotechnology Study Program, Faculty of Science and Technology, Universitas Asia Yogyakarta. In this presentation, I will explain the topic about euthanasia. The title of the topic is Recognize the Ethical Dilemma of Euthanasia. This is introduction from the essay. Euthanasia is morally acceptable practice, although it is still widely debated by people in the world. And what is euthanasia? From the background essay, euthanasia is the practice of intentionally ending life to eliminate pain and suffering. Different countries have different euthanasia laws. The British House of Lords Committee on Medical Ethics defines euthanasia as a deliberate intervention undertaken with the express intention of ending a life to relieve intractable suffering. And which countries have legalized euthanasia? Okay, there are 9 countries that have legalized euthanasia. The first countries to legalize euthanasia were the Netherlands in 2001 and Belgium in 2002. And the third section is Switzerland, Luxembourg, Australia, Colombia, New Zealand, Spain, and Canada. Okay, we move to body essay. There have 3 arguments. The first argument and the second argument about euthanasia helps alleviate pain and suffering from terminally ill patients. And the third argument about euthanasia helps alleviate a patient's family from psychological and emotional suffering. Okay, this is for arguments 1. The first argument is the modern world is defined by high technological advancement in the medical field. With such high technologies in medicine, the chance of people living longer lives are increasing each day. However, there are health conditions that have proven incurable even with such evident progress in medical technology. Most of these health conditions are terminal illnesses that subject patients to a lot of pain in their last days of life. Medic proposed the use of euthanasia to help end the suffering of patients with incurable terminal illnesses. However, the proposal has been met with numerous criticism. This paper provides a discussion in support of death by euthanasia. Okay, this is pro-argument 2. The second argument has 2 points. The first point is euthanasia saves the families of terminally ill patients from spending all their fortunes on medical expenses. Pain and disease management of terminal illnesses amount to very high medical costs. And the second point is, in spite of how many medical expenses are incurred, terminally ill patients will still die. Euthanasia helps reduce the suffering of terminal ill patients. Patients suffering from such incurable terminal illnesses such as cancer experience loss of suffering in their last days of life. Most people suffering from this illness are enrolled in different pain and disease management intervention to alleviate their suffering. Research shows that some of these interventions have body-altering implications that may lead to physical disabilities or immobility. The last one, pro-argument 3, is euthanasia helps alleviate a patient's family from psychological and emotional suffering. Another important benefit of euthanasia is that it helps alleviate a patient's family from psychological and emotional suffering. There is nothing that is more traumatizing than watching one's family member suffering in pain, and yet there is nothing one cannot do. Conclusion: would a rule that allow euthanasia in cases like this have undesirable social consequences? Okay, they worry that allowing euthanasia in current limited acceptable case will gradually encourage expansion of these limits until it's allowed for even unacceptable case. They particularly worry that allowing euthanasia for patients considered especially unfortunate might send the message that everyone facing similar condition has a life that isn't worth living. Suggestion: euthanasia producers may be legalized by the government that regulates them, given the integrity that can support this argument. Opinions: family members of terminally ill patients are as well able to save finance that would have otherwise been used for medical expense. Euthanasia additionally saves a patient's family member from experiencing psychological torture over watching their loved ones suffer in pain. Prediction: it cannot be predicted because euthanasia efforts still invite debates on pro and contra arguments until now. Okay, finish. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Billahi fissabillah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.